Hello friends, welcome back to Sanbarta's Nature Motivation. Today we will explore one of the most beautiful birds on earth, the magnificent peacock. Its colorful feathers, graceful movements, and powerful presence have fascinated people for thousands of years. But there is much more to this bird than its beauty. Let's discover the amazing world of the peacock. The bird, commonly known as the peacock, is actually the male Indian peafowl. Its scientific name is Pavo cristatus. The female is called a Peahen, and together they are known as peafowl. The Indian peafowl is also the national bird of India and is admired throughout the world for its beauty and elegance. One of the most famous sights in nature is a peacock spreading its feathers into a giant fan. But why does it do this? The main reason is courtship. A male peacock displays its feathers to attract a female peahen. The larger, healthier, and more impressive the display, the better its chances of finding a mate. Scientists believe that this display helps peahens identify strong and healthy males. Peacocks are native to the Indian subcontinent. They can be found in forests, grasslands, agricultural fields, and even near villages. They prefer areas where food and water are available, although they spend much of their time on the ground. They often fly up to trees at night to stay safe from predators. Peacocks are omnivorous. Their diet includes seeds, grains, fruits, berries, insects, small reptiles, small amphibians. By eating insects and pests, they can help maintain balance in local ecosystems. Many people are surprised to learn that peacocks can fly. Because of their large feathers, they are not long distance flyers. However, they can fly short distances and quickly reach tree branches when necessary. This ability helps them escape danger and find safe places to rest. The peacock's call is loud and distinctive. During the breeding season and before rainfall, peacocks often call repeatedly. In many parts of India, people associate these calls with the arrival of the monsoon. Their voices can travel long distances through forests and open landscapes. Every year, peacocks naturally shed their magnificent train feathers. This process is called molting. After shedding the feathers, new ones gradually grow back. By the next breeding season, the peacock once again displays its full beauty. The fallen feathers can often be found on the ground without harming the bird. Peacocks are an important part of the ecosystem. Like all animals, they play a role in maintaining natural balance. They remind us that nature is full of beauty, intelligence, and wonder. When we protect forests, grasslands, and water sources, we also protect countless birds and animals that depend on these habitats. When we catch peacock spreading its feathers, we see more than a beautiful bird. We see a reminder that nature creates wonders beyond human imagination. Every bird, every animal, and every living creature has value. The more we learn about them, the more we understand the beauty of the world around us. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of peacocks, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, nature is not just something we see, nature is something we are part of. Until next time, stay peaceful, stay curious, and stay connected with nature.